Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to launch your own online clothing brand? In this video, I will show you exactly how to build a clothing store using Shopify's basic plan in 2025. No tech skills required. So, first of all, sign up for Shopify. Go to shopify.com, then verify this process, then click on shopify.com. Now enter your email, then click start free trial. Enter your store name and choose a basic plan, which costs $19 per month and includes all essential tools. Now let's design your store. Once logged in, head over to online store from the left sidebar. Then click themes. Once loaded, and browse free theme like Dawn or Cropped. I recommend the Dawn theme, both clean and mobile friendly. Then go to product section from the left side panel, left panel. Then click from the right side, add product section, and start uploading your clothing items. Like product title, give it a title like men's cotton hoodie, men's cotton hoodie. Description, mention materials fit here, or you can generate by with Shopify AI. Right, just write a description, simple and catchy description about cotton hoodie. Then click tone like playful, daring. Then select the generate button. Then keep. You can customize it your own. Next, upload high quality images. I will use an image from Google like cotton hoodie and download the photo from here and upload it. Now scroll down, set the price like compare price. Then and add inventory like multiple locations, auto DS or top location. Check this box. This product has a SKU or barcode. Next, organize your products. Click save, then go to collections and create categories like men, women, new arrivals. Click create collection and follow the on-screen process like title, description, collection type manual or smart, then browse product from here. Then creating a women's clothing collection here or men's collection. men's clothing collection. Make sure your menu easy to use. Go to online store. From here, click the navigation bar like that from here and edit the main menu to add links to your collections like men, women, and accessories. Then go to online store from your shop, then click online themes, then click customize and add your logo here, brand name, colors, fonts, etc. Use lifestyle photos to make it feel premium. Enable payments under settings. Go to settings from dashboard, then click payments tab. Use Shopify payments or add PayPal or to checkout or others. Click for PayPal if you are US. If you are from US, just click Shopify payments or PayPal from this page like that. Shopify for US. It's look like that. So follow the payment process. Also configure shipping rates, checkout settings, taxes, and add a refund policy from here. Refund or return policy, then privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy, etc. And generate them using Shopify's free templates. Once you're happy with everything, go to online store, then click preferences, and remove the password protection to make your store live. Connect a custom domain like your brand.com to look professional. Start marketing, try Instagram, TikTok, or run Facebook ads. Also consider apps like Klaviyo for email marketing or Pagefly for better landing pages. And that's how to build a complete clothing store using Shopify's basic plan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.